This is the Nova Smart Ring in beautiful brushed titanium. It also comes in a sapphire crystal glass configuration, and it is a true smart ring with red, green, and infrared diodes in here that can monitor all kinds of features and functions in your life, your heart rate variability, and much more. In the app, you can get your activity, including step counts, distance traveled throughout the day, calories burned, and overall recovery section gives you a score for the day before and gives you insight using artificial intelligence that gets more accurate over the longer you wear your ring to give you updates on what you can do to improve yourself for the next day. A place where you can actually enter your own data about that, full synopsis of your sleep information, exercise records where you can actually get GPS tracking if you link your ring and carry your phone with you. There's a track around the house where I've been doing my exercises. And of course, you got heart rate, like I said, HRV, blood oxygen, stress, and ladies, your cycle information is in here too. Now, just to show you, when you're in the sleep information, not only do you get all of the breakdown, but you also have your last night's heart rate, your biological clock. It tells you how close you are to your circadian rhythm match, and it'll actually determine what your circadian rhythm is for your body type. There's your heart rate variability, temperature deviations, even movement throughout the night, blood oxygen, the chrono-type, all of it is in here, plus a section of meditation music and information, short courses you can take, and it's all free. No subscription ever for you using the ring. It is the Nova Smart Ring in titanium or sapphire crystal. Check it out.